So traditionally, in an Excel-based environment, you get delivered a projection model. And to truly understand the results of what's being produced and all of the attendant sensitivity analysis, you have to really dig in and know each and every cell in that particular model to have buy-in on the results. Are the results that are being produced believable? And the exercise of proving that out in the Excel-based environment it's tricky, and it's really hard because it's a cell-by-cell test that you have to do to make sure that the model is calculating the way that you want it to do and producing the results that you would anticipate, and that everything is hooked up. One of the key advantages of the Whitebirch planning software is the concept of object-oriented modeling. And what this does is this elevates your modeling game. So you're not modeling on a cell-by-cell basis. You're modeling at a higher level, at the object level. And what happens is you model at the object level and then apply that math that you've created to numerous different instances so that you kind of get rid of the duplicative modeling effort. You do it centrally rather than on a cell-by-cell basis. And that makes it much more efficient, easier to vet and check and test to make sure that your model is producing the correct projection and producing the right results. Additionally, one of the key features that everybody loves in Whitebirch is the explain feature. The explain feature allows any customer, any user of the platform to click on any individual cell at any point in time and actually click explain. And what this does is it unlocks all the variables, the underlying logic that went into calculating the number that you've clicked on. And right then and there, you get an explanation of how things are calculated and how the number is produced on your report. That doesn't really exist in an Excel-based environment. In Excel, you'd be clicking on an individual cell, which then traces to another cell, which traces to another worksheet, which traces to another Excel workbook altogether. It's nasty to get through.